I really do hope you've enjoyed this AutoCAD 2025 Essential Training course. So you now know AutoCAD. So now what? What do you do? What are your next steps? Well, you now have a basic understanding of AutoCAD. You should be able to hit the ground running in the majority of AutoCAD roles that are out there. You have all the necessary skills to use AutoCAD effectively, and you can now consider other AutoCAD titles in the LinkedIn Learning Library. Consider some of the AutoCAD toolsets, such as the AutoCAD Electrical toolset and the AutoCAD Mechanical toolset, that work in specific industries. Move forward with the knowledge you've gained. You're now a skilled AutoCAD user. You should be able to move forward now and move into an AutoCAD role and start generating a fantastic AutoCAD skill set. Also, consider getting certified. Consider looking at the Cert Prep AutoCAD for Drafting and Design course to allow you to move forward and take your Autodesk Certified Professional exam in AutoCAD.